Have you ever wondered what would happen if Saturn lost its rings? Let's take a moment to marvel at the celestial grandeur of Saturn, the sixth planet from our Sun, often referred to as the jewel of our solar system. Its beauty is unsurpassed, its mystery profound. For centuries, the allure of Saturn and its enchanting rings has captivated the minds of astronomers, dreamers, and space enthusiasts alike. It's not just a planet, it's a celestial masterpiece, a spectacle that inspires awe and wonder. Imagine, if you will, a planet ensconced in a halo of shimmering light, made of countless particles that orbit in harmony, creating a symphony of celestial beauty. These particles, ranging from tiny dust-sized icy grains to massive chunks, compose the majestic rings of Saturn. They're not just adornments, they're a part of Saturn's identity, an essential part of its cosmic persona. The composition of these rings, primarily ice with a smattering of rock and dust, is a testament to the frigid temperatures in the outer reaches of our solar system. The ice chunks catch the sunlight just so, creating a shimmering, ghostly glow that can be seen from millions of miles away. But what's incredibly fascinating is how these rings came to be. The most accepted theory is that they are remnants of a moon that was shattered by Saturn's gravitational force, a cosmic cataclysm that resulted in this ethereal display of beauty. Yet despite their grandeur, these rings are surprisingly thin, some as thin as 30 feet, a mere gossamer veil in the vast expanse of space. They're delicate, ephemeral, and yet they've withstood the test of time. Now let's take a step into the realm of imagination, a step into a universe not so different from our own. Let's envision a reality where these magnificent rings, these celestial halos that have graced Saturn for millennia, suddenly disappeared. What would become of Saturn without its iconic rings? Would it still be the jewel of our solar system, or would it lose its luster? Let's embark on this cosmic journey together and explore the possibilities. Now let's imagine a universe where these magnificent rings suddenly disappeared. Imagine waking up one day and the rings are gone. In this scenario, Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, suddenly becomes a solitary sphere in the sky. The iconic rings, a spectacle that has captivated imaginations for centuries, vanish without a trace. The initial reaction, both from the scientific community and the public, is pure, unfiltered astonishment. The disappearance of Saturn's rings would be akin to the Earth's moon suddenly evaporating into the ether. It's a cosmic spectacle that defies comprehension. News of the event would spread like wildfire, sparking a frenzy of curiosity and concern. Astronomers would scramble to their telescopes, their eyes glued to the viewfinders, hoping to glean some insight into the celestial mystery. Theories would abound, from the plausible to the outlandish. Did the rings simply dissipate into space? Were they swallowed by Saturn itself? Or did some extraterrestrial force play a hand in their disappearance? The public's reaction would be a mixed bag of awe, fear, and fascination. Social media platforms would be ablaze with trending hashtags and viral posts. Schools would buzz with eager students, their minds teeming with questions. Dinner table conversations would veer towards the stars as families, friends, and strangers alike grappled with the implications of a ringless Saturn. But beyond the immediate shock and wonder, the disappearance of Saturn's rings would ignite a new era of cosmic exploration. Scientists around the globe would band together, pooling their resources and knowledge in a bid to unravel this celestial riddle. Space agencies would fast-track missions to Saturn, hoping to gather data that might shed light on the fate of the rings. The loss of Saturn's rings would be a jarring reminder of the unpredictable nature of our universe. It would challenge our understanding of celestial dynamics and force us to reevaluate our place in the cosmos. But above all, it would spark a renewed interest in space exploration, reminding us of the infinite mysteries that lie beyond our world. The disappearance of the rings would be just the beginning. With the rings gone, Saturn would be a different planet. Indeed, this celestial body would undergo a multitude of changes, some subtle, others dramatic. The absence of the rings would affect not only the planet's physical attributes, but its entire atmospheric and magnetic dynamics. Firstly, let's consider Saturn's physical form. Without its iconic rings, Saturn would lose a significant portion of its mass. This reduction could potentially lead to changes in its gravitational force. The planet might undergo contraction, its shape altering subtly as it adjusts to the new gravitational balance. Now, let's ponder the atmospheric implications. Saturn's rings are composed of countless pieces of ice, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive chunks. These icy fragments constantly interact with Saturn's atmosphere, contributing to its composition and dynamics. Without them, we could expect changes in the planet's weather patterns, temperature, and atmospheric circulation. But the changes wouldn't stop there. Saturn's rings also play a crucial role in shaping its magnetic field. The icy particles in the rings interact with the planet's magnetic field, creating a complex system of plasma waves. Remove the rings and this system would be disrupted, potentially leading to alterations in Saturn's magnetosphere. What about the view from Earth, you ask? Well, it would change dramatically. Saturn's rings, illuminated by the sun, make it one of the most recognizable and beautiful sights in our night sky. Without them, Saturn would look like a regular, less distinctive planet. It would lose its luster, its uniqueness, and a part of its identity. However, it's important to note that these changes wouldn't happen overnight. The process of ring loss would likely span over hundreds of thousands, if not millions of years, but the end result would be the same. A Saturn that's starkly different from the one we know and love today. But it's not just Saturn that would be affected. The loss of Saturn's rings would send ripples across our solar system, affecting other celestial bodies in ways we can only begin to imagine. The disappearance of Saturn's rings would send shockwaves through our solar system. Now, that's not just a metaphorical statement, it's a literal one. You see, the rings of Saturn aren't just a fancy accessory. They play a vital role in maintaining the gravitational balance of our solar system. Imagine, if you will, a perfectly balanced set of scales. Now, take away one small weight from one side. The scales tip, right? That's what we're talking about here. The rings of Saturn are part of the delicate balance that keeps our solar system in order. Without these rings, the gravitational pull of Saturn would change. This could have a ripple effect on the nearby moons of the planet. Saturn has over 60 moons, some of which are among the largest in the solar system. These moons, in turn, have their own gravitational pull, which affects the paths of nearby asteroids and comets. A change in Saturn's gravity could send these celestial bodies off their usual paths, leading to potential collisions and chaos. And let's not forget the asteroid belt, that vast ring of debris located between Mars and Jupiter. The gravitational pull of Saturn plays a part in keeping these asteroids in check. If Saturn's gravity were to change, it could disrupt the asteroid belt, sending asteroids hurtling into space, potentially causing havoc within the inner solar system. But it's not only the immediate neighborhood of Saturn that would feel the effects. The loss of Saturn's rings could even impact the orbits of other planets. The planets in our solar system are all interconnected through gravity, each one subtly influencing the others. A significant change in the gravitational field of one planet could create a chain reaction, affecting all the others. And what about us here on Earth? We're part of this intricate cosmic ballet too. The Earth doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a vast interconnected system. And any disruption to this system could have far-reaching consequences. So, the disappearance of Saturn's rings wouldn't just be a loss to our night sky. It could potentially change life as we know it. Even from millions of miles away, the loss of Saturn's rings could have implications here on Earth. Imagine looking up at the night sky and not seeing the familiar bands of Saturn, a sight that has captivated stargazers for centuries. Saturn, without its iconic rings, would become just another point of light amongst the stars, its charm and allure diminished. This change in our celestial landscape could have profound effects on everything from our casual stargazing to the science of astronomy. In the realm of space exploration, Saturn's rings have always been a subject of fascination, a destination for research probes and the source of stunning images sent back to Earth. Without these rings, the allure of Saturn as an exploration target might wane. It could shift our focus towards other celestial bodies, altering the trajectory of space exploration and our understanding of the universe. Beyond the scientific implications, there's also the cultural impact to consider. Saturn's rings have been a part of human lore and mythology for ages. They've inspired countless works of art, literature, and music. Would the works of future artists be different without the rings of Saturn to spark their imagination? And what about our collective human identity, our place in the universe? The rings of Saturn are a testament to the grandeur and complexity of the cosmos. Their loss could serve as a poignant reminder of the transience of even the most seemingly permanent fixtures in our universe, reinforcing our understanding of the impermanence and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. But let's not forget the potential impact on education. For generations, children have learned about the rings of Saturn, often their first introduction to the wonders of the universe. Without the rings, would the allure of space diminish for these young minds? So, what can we learn from all this? Well, the potential loss of Saturn's rings reminds us of the interconnectedness of our universe, the fragility of celestial bodies, and the importance of preserving and understanding our cosmic neighborhood for future generations. The disappearance of Saturn's rings, while unlikely, provides a powerful thought experiment. Imagine a cosmic ballet, where each planet, asteroid, and comet pirouettes in harmony. Each twirl, each leap, each spin in this celestial dance plays a pivotal role in shaping the universe as we know it. The thought of Saturn losing its rings, as improbable as it may seem, nudges us to reflect on the delicate intricacies and interconnectedness of our cosmic neighborhood. Our ongoing exploration and understanding of the universe is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about recognizing our place in the cosmos. It's about acknowledging that we are part of a larger celestial family, where every member, from the smallest asteroid to the mighty Jupiter, has its role in maintaining the balance of our solar system. Saturn's rings, those beautiful bands of ice and rock, are not just celestial ornaments. They are a testament to the power of gravity, the force that holds our universe together. They are a beacon guiding our spacecrafts through the vast expanse of space. They are a window into the past, helping us understand the origins of our solar system. Losing them would not just rob the night sky of one of its most stunning spectacles. It would be a poignant reminder of the fragility of our universe and the need for our continued vigilance. It would underscore the importance of our space missions, our telescopes, and our satellites. It would highlight the urgency of our research, our observations, and our quest for knowledge. Like a cosmic jigsaw puzzle, every piece in our universe fits together in a delicate balance. Disturbing one piece can have far-reaching effects, even if that piece is as seemingly insignificant as the rings of Saturn. That's why we must continue to look up, to explore, to question, to understand. Because in the grand scheme of the cosmos, our knowledge is our power, our curiosity is our compass, and our respect for the universe is our responsibility. In the grand scheme of the universe, we are but a small part of a much larger cosmic dance. So, next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to ponder the rings of Saturn. Consider their grandeur, their mystery, their influence. We've journeyed together through a speculative scenario, Saturn bereft of its iconic rings. We've witnessed the event's aftermath, the ripple effects across the solar system, and even the potential earthly consequences. We've also taken a moment to reflect on the lessons this hypothetical situation presents. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in our universe, a balance that we're still striving to understand. This journey of exploration and curiosity isn't confined to the realm of the hypothetical. It's the very essence of scientific discovery, a pursuit that continually pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. It fuels our insatiable curiosity, leading us to ask questions, to wonder, and to imagine the unimaginable. Who knows what mysteries the universe has yet to reveal?